think it's safe to say that tutorials on YouTube and in general are not going to work anymore in the era of LLMs. When people want to learn, they will most likely go to ChatGPT or Grok or Gemini and ask for a lesson on something particular. They're not going to sit through your hour-long video and step-by-step instructional videos. And I noticed this trend more and more in the 2 years that I've been on YouTube. And a lot of people have already given up. Some people that I was following for many years, and I'm specifically talking about Heartbeast. He released this video saying how he's going to give up on YouTube or at least take a break. And I can echo a lot of elements that he said in the video. The fact that we are not creating this content for free as a charity. A lot of us are doing this as a business. So the goal of releasing videos on YouTube is to generate leads, and those leads would purchase your courses and your assets and perhaps even your games and will ultimately make you money. A lot of content on YouTube is not made by people who consider this as their main business, and you have to be careful about this. A lot of people are actually employees of companies. They could be software companies or game dev companies, and they come on YouTube and release free game dev education videos, which is amazing, but you should not confuse that with people who are making this as a business. As a business, you're trying to make money, and if it doesn't generate money, then you will give up. And a lot of people have given up openly, like Heartbeast. Some people have given up, but in a more silent way. For example, iHeart Game Dev. He stated that he was going to make his own games, but he hasn't uploaded in a year. And honestly, he has some of the best tutorials that I have ever seen in my life. His videos have such a high production value. I mean, it's amazing. But it's been a year that he hasn't made a tutorial. And I mean, I'm not stupid. I'm asking myself, is this normal? No, it is not. If this stuff was working, he would have never stopped making these videos. So it's clearly the case that tutorials are not working anymore. And you can see this in more established channels. For example, CodeMonkey. Over the last years, he has been making more of these news videos. And granted, this is amazing content. He gives a lot of advice. He puts the highlight on a lot of recent technologies. But you will notice that his tutorial content is not as frequent as it used to be. And he says it himself. He says that usually the tutorials will not get as much views and as much engagement. And in fact, whenever he wants to release a course on YouTube, he has to invite his audience to engage with the video, like it, and all that stuff in order for the YouTube algorithm to pick it up. And this is ridiculous. CodeMonkey is an amazing game developer, an amazing teacher, but the fact that he has to go to all these lengths in order to get his video watched, that's ridiculous. And it's not the fault of the YouTube algorithm. We love to say that. We love to say that, oh, the algorithm is bad. But in fact, the algorithm is just serving an audience. It is looking for the best content that will please an audience. The issue is that the audience has moved on from tutorials to AIs. That's as simple as that. And perhaps you are in the minority. Perhaps you'll say, oh no, this is not my case. I still enjoy these step-by-step tutorials, and I enjoy these long form videos and traditional courses. But in fact, you are in the minority, and unfortunately, YouTube is a numbers game. If you don't have enough likes, if you don't have enough views, like in the first 24 hours or 48 hours of the video after launch, then yeah, the video is going to die and you will not succeed on YouTube ultimately. So what is the solution? Because in this video, I'm not here to complain. I'm actually trying to find a solution. And by the way, I want to give a big shout out and a big thank you to all the members of my channel. Without you guys, I would have given up a long time ago. And this is not hyperbole. This is actually real. if it was not for my YouTube members who have given me a sliver of hope, and thanks to them, I have generated a bit of income to keep me afloat. And perhaps also with the sales of some of my courses, this has been at least sustainable, or barely, but it is still a positive thing that has happened to my channel. And I want to thank you guys all for your support. And in this video, I'm going to explain my plans for the future. So the content on my channel and in my courses is going to change starting from today. I am no longer going to release these step-by-step instructional videos, at least not exclusively. I could release them for beginner topics. However, for my main content, what I have in mind, so perhaps we can bring up the list of members. Now on the membership tiers, we have 4 memberships. We have supporter, bronze, silver, and gold. Then we have the mentorship tier, which is more for people who want direct access to me with a consulting call every month, and also priority support on my educational content through direct messaging. So my idea is each video now is going to be a challenge. So I'm going to present you with a challenge and I'm going to explain what needs to be explained. And I'm going to provide the source code in the form of a Unity package. And in the video, we'll have a challenge for the free tier, which is most of the people who are going to be watching on YouTube. Then I will have a challenge for each tier of membership. So we'll have a challenge for support tier, for bronze, silver, and gold. And what you will do is you will take the Unity package and you'll perhaps create a new project in Unity or import in an existing project. And then you would do the challenge. And in a later video, I'm going to present the solution, but it is not the solution, it is my solution, and you could come up with a better solution on your own. So most likely there will be a different video for each tier, but again, it's not going to focus on step-by-step coding instructions like I used to in my previous content. And hopefully this will put more emphasis on your own participation in the tutorials. And instead of spending a lot of time on editing videos, on the coding sections, on explaining like the minutiae of these concepts, I would spend most of the time doing overviews and giving you pointers and perhaps also engaging with you in the comments and on our Discord server. And this is what I want to create really. I want to have discussions with you guys. Perhaps you will come up with innovative solutions that I have not thought about. And for my audience in general, it could be a good opportunity to discuss these solutions together. And this is in general how game development is supposed to be thought and how this information is supposed to be consumed. You're not supposed to watch these tutorials like you're watching TV shows and passively going through the video. If you do it like that, then you will be wasting your time most of the time and you will not get as much value from the videos. So the death of game dev education on YouTube is really a blessing in disguise. Perhaps you will get more value through this new format, and perhaps this will be a flop. This could be the biggest blunder in my YouTube career, and this could mark the end of my channel, but I'm willing to take the risk. With this new approach, I will be able to deliver more content to you guys, and hopefully that content will be more effective as a teaching tool. Because if you think about it from a pragmatic perspective, like I don't give a shit whether you watch the content or not. If you're paying for my membership or if you bought my course, then on the contrary, if we want to be like 100% pragmatic, on the contrary, I would enjoy the fact that you don't watch my content. Because if you don't watch it, then you won't have questions, then you won't consume my time in trying to answer you and trying to figure out your problem and solving it. So I'm the winner at the end of the day, but I'm not really here to do that. It's great to make money, but it has to be an exchange of value. I don't want you to spend your money and get nothing in return. And maybe one day you will contact me saying, hey, I made this game thanks to you and it is amazing. Go watch my video on it. Go watch my devlog. This is the goal. And I want you to reach that point where you are confident enough to make your own projects happen. So thank you for watching. Hopefully this new era of the channel is going to be a lot more useful to you guys, and I will be able to deliver more value with less effort and really do it in a more effective way and in a way that will actually change some people's lives for the better. All right, so thank you for watching and see you in the next video.